Hello and welcome to this Photoshop basic course. I am Samuel S. Emmanuel, also known as Blacq. In this course, I will guide you through the essential tools and techniques to get you started with Photoshop. Let's begin with an introduction to the interface and tools. Let's start with the menu bar. This right here is the menu bar. You can see this is the menu bar that has the file, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, view, and so others. Now we go straight to the toolbar. Where is the toolbar? The toolbar is these tools around here is the toolbar. So what about the layers panel? This is the layers panel. You can see right here, this is the layers, and this is China, and this is parts, and so other things are in this part itself. Let's say the panel, this panel itself. So many things can be added also, and so many tools are also inside it. So for the option bar, this is the option bar. What we have here, right here is the option bar. We have here option bar. Then for the canvas itself, the canvas is this place. The canvas should be a white or black space for where you can get your design or whatever you want to do done, and I'll show you with a quick example. So we can control N for new canvas, or we can go to file, new. You can see the shortcut there is control N. You can see, then you can click on it, and then you can choose either you want to go by 2000 by 2000, either 1920 by 1080p pixels, all depend on you or what you are going for. So for the sake of this tutorial, I like to keep everything square. I would like it to be 2000 by 2000 pixels. Resolution will be 300 pixels / inch. You can use centimeter if it is what you want to use, but I use pixels. Now the RGB itself, I use this mode perfectly for what I want to do, and leave the rest of the other settings as it is. But mind you that you need to always check if it is on sRGB, and then we click on create. So this is our canvas itself. So we are going to create an example with any random things. Now for the quick example, you can use Control N. Like I said, sorry for Mac users, you can use Control N or Command N to create your new canvas. So choose your preset however you want it. Like I showed you, select the brush tool by using B, or come to this place, this tool panel, and click on it, or toolbar and click on it. Then with the brush selected, if you want to increase your brush stroke, you can increase by using the square bracket keys like this. The right one increase and the left one decrease. Right increase, left decrease. And then when you click on it, click and hold and drag around, you have something like this. You can create a clean stroke like this. If you want to draw a straight line with the brush, you can click on it, hold, use your shift and release, and click on the other place that you want the line to be straight, and you can see the line is straight. And I believe that is that for this section. So before we round up this section, we can save our project file however we want it. So we can go to File, Export, Save for Web, Legacy, and then click on it, and then wait for the screen to load out. We can use JPEG or PNG format or GIF format itself, whichever one is best for you, but I leave it on PNG, and I click Save. And we didn't rename our project, so we can rename that. Let's say we can call it tutorial 1. Click enter. Once it saves, we can also do that to keep our project safe, so we can come back to it later. Control S or Command S to save, and then you put TUT1. That is that for this section. Bye bye.